Welcome to the ultimate guide for starting your content creation journey in 2026 using just your mobile phone. The barriers to entry have never been lower. Your smartphone is now a powerful all-in-one content studio waiting to be unleashed. Why 2026? Because mobile technology, editing apps, and platform focus are converging to make it the most accessible and effective year to start creating high-quality content on the go. We'll break down your journey into 4 simple, actionable steps. From finding your niche, setting up your mobile gear, planning and creation, to distribution and growth. Let's kick things off with step 1, defining your niche and generating endless content ideas. The best content comes from what you love and what you know. Identify your core passion or expertise and define the unique perspective you bring to the table. Next, define your target audience. What are their interests and what content are they missing? Find that sweet spot, the content gap, where your unique voice meets audience needs. Moving on to step 2, setting up your mobile content creation studio with the right gear. Modern 2026 smartphones offer incredible camera stability, low light performance, and cinematic quality. Familiarize yourself with all the pro settings your phone offers. While your phone is powerful, small upgrades make a huge difference. Invest in a simple mobile tripod, an external microphone for clear audio, and portable lighting like a ring light. Now for the fun part. Step 3, the creation process. This is where your ideas turn into reality. Don't just hit record. Spend a few minutes on pre-production. Outline your main points, or create a quick visual storyboard. Preparation saves huge time in editing. When filming, clean your lens, use natural light where possible, and ensure your framing is consistent. Remember the basics: horizontal for most platforms and vertical for short-form content. 2026 boasts incredible mobile editing apps. They allow you to cut, add music, text overlays, and transitions right on your phone. Master one good editing app for efficient workflow. Finally, step 4, getting your content seen and building your audience. Choose platforms based on your content style. Short-form videos thrive on TikTok and Reels, while longer, in-depth content suits YouTube. Focus on consistency on your chosen platform. Learn the basics of mobile SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and always engage with comments to build community and signal relevance to the algorithm. Consistency is non-negotiable. Post regularly, and always review your platform analytics to see what content performs best, so you can refine your strategy. You now have the 4 steps to start your successful mobile content creation journey in 2026. Don't wait for the perfect moment or equipment. You have everything you need in your hand. Start creating today.